No.
Okay, guys, I'm going to give you the handout for the popcorn coin. It doesn't smell. Okay, and remember, I reviewed the 5 senses on the board, David. Remember? I reviewed the 5 senses on the board. And that's what we're going to use to write our popcorn coin. Go, Trey. All right. Now, why do we want to use very descriptive words using our 5 senses for a poem? Why would we want to do that? Can you tell me? We want to use the 5 senses in descriptive words so that the reader can truly experience what he or she is reading when they're reading a poem, okay? So that's what we're aiming for, okay? So, first we're going to have a little experiment. So I want all of you to close your eyes and no peeking, okay? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Do not eat this. Just keep your eyes shut. David.
Hold on.
Trey. Hold your hand. Don't peek.
Don't peek.
Okay, as you have this in your hand, don't peek. Hold out your hand. What does that feel like?
Seeds.
It feels like seeds. Good. Can you give me a descriptive word of what it feels like? Does it feel soft, hard?
Hard.
It feels hard. Good. Any other words? Any other words you can describe what it feels like? Your sense of touch? Are you trying to smell it? What does it smell like?
Popcorn.
Smells like popcorn? Okay, good. David, what do you think? Does it feel like anything?
I think popcorn seeds.
Feels like popcorn seeds, okay? Okay, so y'all can take a peek now. Go ahead. You can see. Hey, it's a popcorn seed. Good. Okay, so I want you to write on your paper by the hand, because that's our sense of touch, I want you to write a word that describes what you just felt like. You can write hard, popcorn seed was hard, something like that. Yep, by the hand, by the sense of touch.
I said hard.
Let me get you a pencil. Let me show you on the board what I'm talking about, okay?
Does everybody have a pencil?
I have
Okay, by the sense of touch with my hand, okay, you can write hard. What else? Anything else? Did it feel anything else besides hard?
Soft.
Did it feel kind of soft?
No.
Maybe crunchy?
You're lying,
But-
Carlos.
Okay. How about, what did it look like? What does it look like?
popcorn seed.
Does it look like what color? Like what color?
Yeah.
Brown.
Is it brown?
Yellow.
Or yellow?
In my mind.
Okay. Is it big or is it small?
Yellow.
It's really small, isn't it? Okay, these are really good descriptive words when we're describing popcorn. And of course, we can't smell it yet, can we? No. Can't smell it yet. When we cook it, we're going to be able to smell it though, right?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Well, let's think of some other words using our senses.
I heard
We have sight, and y'all told me it was yellow and small, correct?
the white paper.
Does it smell
I
at
have one.
all yet? Does it smell?
Yeah. No.
Doesn't really smell yet, does it? Okay.
I heard that.
Did you hear anything yet?
Yeah.
No, can't really hear anything yet because we haven't cooked it yet.
No.
Okay, so let's think of some other words though. What other words can we use? If we're going to be writing a poem, and you want to really getting this good, even though we haven't tasted it actually yet. That's gonna be the fun part, right? Carlos, any other words?
I heard that. I heard that.
Okay, well, are y'all ready to do the corn popping?
Yeah.
Really fun part?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see the transformation from a kernel to the popcorn.